This is the latest smart mop from John Lewis Partners. It not only cleans dust and dirt from the floor but also provides deep cleaning with mite removal and sterilization. Utilizing a 253.7 N UV light and a high-frequency Serbian motor, it boasts a sterilization rate of up to 99.19%. The light penetrates fabric surfaces to reach deep inside, destroying the DNA structure of dust mites, instantly eliminating hidden bacteria and mites. It can be used on both floors and carpets, and the results are beyond my expectations. Incredibly effective. My 200 square meter house can be cleaned in less than 10 minutes because of its high suction power. The newly improved vacuum head can rotate 360 degrees, and no matter how stubborn the stains are, just one swipe and they are gone. There's no need to mop back and forth, and even liquids spilled in the kitchen or bathroom are instantly absorbed without leaving any watermarks. Hair and pet fur are no problem either, and no dust is left in any corners or crevices. It solves all your cleaning worries. I suggest you stop using traditional mops because they really waste your time and energy and can't clean your floors properly. I recommend this mop because it's cordless and doesn't need to be plugged into an outlet. You can take it anywhere, even outdoors, and a single charge lasts for a week of continuous use. It's very lightweight and can be operated with one hand. This is the most amazing mop I've ever seen. And there's a discount right now, so don't miss out.